Hi guys, pag-usapan muna natin ang OnePlus Ace 3 Pro today. Very quick video lang, just a quick overview para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga dapat nyo i-expect sa phone na to just in case na isa to sa mga kinoconsider nyong phone and alamin natin kung tunay nga ba itong pro level na phone. Okay, so simulan natin sa design. So nakuha ko dito is yung green colorway and meron siyang textured na parang plastic finish na back panel. So hindi po siya kapitin ng dumi and curved edge yung display niya. So para sa mga fans ng flat displays, this is not the one para sa inyo. And speaking of the display, meron tong LTPO na AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate and a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 na protection. So sa display pa lang, meron na tayong pro-level features. And honestly, maganda talaga yung display niya, maganda yung color reproduction, maganda yung sharpness, yung vibrance, yung fluidity ng motion natin dito, solid na solid. And even though China ROM ito, naka-widevine level 1 na, so that means full HD resolution sa Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney, or kung ano pa mang streaming services ang gagamitin nyo on this device. May mga reviews ako nakita na sabi hindi daw ganun kaganda yung cameras ng OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. So I was pleasantly surprised sa mga nakuha nating sample shots kasi magaganda, sharp yung images, very detailed, maganda yung colors. Yun nga lang, medyo may pagkamataas yung saturation and contrast level. Pero pwedeng nyo namang i-tone down yung contrast and saturation through editing. So okay na okay lang sa akin yun kasi mas importante, nare-retain niya yung details and sharpness ng mga objects na nakuha na natin. Yung selfie camera naman natin is just okay. Ito yung mga samples natin. And yung video recording naman, meron tayong 4K 60 FPS. Now, I would say medyo stable naman yung videos natin but it's not as stable as your flagship devices. And I guess that's understandable kasi nga hindi naman to flagship level talaga. It's just a flagship killer na pro phone. So kung gusto nyo pang mas lalong stable yung kuha nyo, it would be better na gamitan nyo ng gimbal like this one. And eto naman yung sample selfie video natin na nasa 1080p 30fps lang. Selfie video test para sa OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. So this one only has 1080p 30fps. So kapos na kapos po tayo pagdating sa selfie camera niya. So don't expect too much lalo sa video recording. Hindi rin po ganun ka-stable. Pero pwede na. I mean, if you're gonna use a selfie camera, kunyari may emergency meeting, pwede nyo naman mapakinabangan to. Just make sure na may proper lighting kayo, like so. Kasi pag darker na yung scenario, tingnan nyo, papakita ko sa inyo, magde-degrade talaga yung image like this. Ayan, so super soft na, wala na yung details sa mukha natin, but that is to be expected pagdating sa mga selfie camera naman. Okay, so usapang performance na. Papakita ko sa inyo yung gameplay natin ng Genshin Impact sa Abyss. Pero sasabihin ko rin sa inyo na yung Antutu benchmark points na nakuha natin dito is over 2 million Antutu benchmark points. And then it's what you would expect from a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 pagdating sa 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme Test na meron lang tayong 69% stability pagdating sa performance niya during that test. So huwag kayong mag-alala doon guys kasi yan talaga yung madalas na nakukuha natin pagdating sa stress test sa Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Hindi siya ganun ka-stable like previous chipsets. Pero the good thing about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is that when it comes to actual real-world performance, tulad na lang dito sa Genshin Impact, kaya niya mag-deliver ng very stable performance, solid na 60 FPS dito sa OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. Kahit naka-abyss tayo, kahit sobrang daming effects dito sa game natin, sobrang stable pa rin talaga. Wala tayong napansin na mabigat na frame drops. And what's even better is yung cooling ng device na to. Umabot lang ng 39 degrees Celsius ang pinakamainit na na-experience kong temperature on this device. This is really good para sa mga heavy gamers out there na naghahanap ng cool na phone pagdating sa heavy gaming. That's very surprising guys kasi usually umaabot talaga ng lampas 40 degrees Celsius pag Genshin Impact, naka-highest graphical settings, and matagal na gameplay. This one, again, 39 degrees Celsius lang. So with that, we can definitely say na pro-level performance ang makukuha nyo with the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. But aside from that, isa pang pro-level na feature is the battery. So this one has a whopping 6,100 milliamp hours na battery capacity and 100 watts of fast charging. Now, ang pinaka-impressive dito is that kahit na malaki na yung battery capacity niya compared to the typical na 5,000 milliamp hours, hindi pa rin ganun kakapal yung body nito. And I would say kasing kapal and kasing bigat niya lang yung mga other phones that has 5,000 milliamp hours of battery capacity. So dito talaga ako pinaka na-amaze, and I think ito yung pinaka magugustuhan yung feature, yung bigger battery capacity ng device na to. Na bukod pa sa mga nabanggit ko na, other things that you might wanna know, naka-color OS po yung OnePlus Ace 3 Pro dahil China ROM po ito. Wala pong global version, pero pwedeng yung lagyan ng Google Play Store. And panghuli, meron po itong IP65 water and dust resistance. And available ito guys dyan sa link sa description box. And para sa akin, for 30,000 pesos as of the time of making this video, very pro level yung phone na to pagdating sa features, sa specs, and ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung big battery capacity niya, 6,100 milliamp hours battery capacity. This is something that you don't usually see even in flagship devices. And that's on top of the fact na meron tong flagship level na chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So this is something that I can recommend if you're looking for a flagship killer device and you're okay na China ROM siya. And with that said, hopefully nakatulong tong quick overview natin ng OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. And kung gusto nyo pang manood ng mga videos ko, may mga ililink po ako dyan. Panigurado magugustuhan nyo yung mga yan. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.